I'm coming from Turkey, a very close city to Izmir, a small town. We were the first Cittaslow of Turkey. In this General Assembly, the other four towns united with the family, so we are proud of this. Now we are 5 towns from Turkey. This General Assembly is another success for Cittaslow Association, Cittaslow movement, because every year it happens and we come together, all the Cittaslow municipalities, and we change our experiences, and by the way we feel that we are not alone and we are doing good things. So this General Assembly gives us a chance to meet with each other and try to do better in our towns.